In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your design using a Canva account. Whether you're using Canva for your creative projects, school assignments, or business presentations, resizing a design is a fundamental skill that can make your work more versatile and adaptable to different formats. Let's dive into the process and ensure you have a seamless experience. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. This is your starting point for accessing all the features you need. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard where all your designs are displayed. Choose the design you want to resize by clicking on it. This will open up the design in the Canva editor, where you'll have access to all the customization tools. After your design is open in the editor, the next step is to focus on the design area, particularly the image or section you want to resize. Click on the image or element within your design. This action will highlight it, allowing further adjustments in terms of size, position, and other attributes. Now, let's move to the resizing tool. Look towards the top left corner of your screen. There you will find the Resize button. It's a prominent feature, so it shouldn't be difficult to spot. Click this button. This will open up a menu of options that allows you to change the dimensions of your design. You can choose from preset sizes or enter custom dimensions to fit your specific needs. This flexibility is particularly useful if you're preparing your design for different platforms or purposes, like social media posts or print materials. Once you've selected or entered the dimensions you want, click on the Resize button again to apply these changes. This action will adjust your entire design to fit the new size, maintaining the proportions and layout as best as possible. It's a quick and efficient way to adapt your design without starting from scratch. For Canva users, it's important to note that resizing is a feature permanently available if you're on a paid plan. However, if you're using Canva's free plan, you'll have a 30-day free trial to test out this feature. So, make sure to take advantage of this period to explore resizing and other premium features Canva offers. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your design using Canva. Remember, resizing your design can help you tailor your visuals to different contexts, making your work more impactful and professional. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to explore more of Canva's features to enhance your creative journey.